Ice on my neck, flawless baguettes. Hop off a jet, barely get rest. Cash through the mud, I get a check. You sellin' run on my pants and my chest. Chanel dress, clean up a mess. I eat her flesh, you know the rest. Count up a hun, couple Rolex. Shine like the sun, you truly blessed. Two top and tape, and they clip boy like I Uber these jets. Yes, it's on me, got my Gucci shirt wet. Put an M in my bag, gon' get used to these rats. I went to school where they teach you finesse. 500 shoes for the drip, I invest. I'm the boss man, I keep cashing the desk. Know the cool fast when they in with an S.
Now that I'm home, back off the road, we shut it down, where they sold. Checks on the streets, J number 4, Saint Laurent feet, put it on toes. Take it with me, double your dose. Covered with angels that's watching my soul. Jack got a bet, it's bigger window. Said I beat the intent, but I got the info. I feel like I'm chosen, I'm covered in gold. I left a wide open, it was all control. Took nothing but fireman, she hopped it and drove.
Ice on my neck, flawless baguettes. Hop off a jet, barely get rest. Cash through the mud, I get a check. You sellin' run on my pants and my chest. Chanel dress, clean up a mess. I eat her flesh, you know the rest. Count up a hun, couple Rolex. Shine like the sun, you truly blessed.
You talk with text, Fendi good boy like I Uber the jets. VS is on me, got my Louis shirt wet. It's an M in my bag and get used to these rats.
I went to school where they teach you finesse. 500 shoes for the drip, I invest. I'm the boss man, I keep cashing the desk. Know the cool fast when they in with an S.
The flame on the island, me and Cash gonna hop on a Learjet. Got potters every color, and I got CCs you ain't seen yet. Said I kicked the cup and now I'm asking where the codeine at. 30 pointers and up, Eliante dripping, my whole team went.
New Patek on my wrist, yeah. White diamond and them shits hit pink, yeah. Got coin to go get a mink, yeah. New finger ring sit like a sink, yeah. You a bad bitch, then we can link. What? Hit the shower, you might stink. Bitch bag it, all my great. And she said little Uzi so great. How you deal with all that hate? Shut a bitch, now give me my green. New Patek on my wrist, white diamond and them shits hit pink. Got coin to go get a mink. New finger ring sit like a sink. You a bad bitch, then we can link. Hit the shower, you might stink. Bitch bag it, all my great. And she said little Uzi so great. Okay. And your girlfriend like my drip. Happy birthday to that bitch. You're the one that suck my dick. Triple S got that extra grip.
You guys are gonna go ahead and hear the background because I have friends on. But well, let me take these off. But this is the final look. Oh my god, I'm like so dirty. But this is the final look, and I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig on. Well, I'm going to show y'all the outfit and then I'm going to go ahead and put the wig on. But of course, we're going with red today. This is actually the last this is the last time that I'm going to be doing like this, matching my wig with my eyebrows and my outfit video. I mean, I will be like doing these on, but not like every Tuesday. This month I just wanted to dedicate every Tuesday to that. But since we are like going like back to school or whatever, I kind of want to dedicate a lot of time and videos to that to help y'all, to anyone that's going back to school. But it's not gonna be all, you know, back to school. So yeah, just wanted to get that out the way. But I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the fit, and then I'm gonna put the wig on, and then we're gonna get this bitch popping. So first we have my red shorts. These are so cute. And then I have my red bag. And then I have my Juicy Couture red zip-up sweater. It's my Jordan 4s, of course. And then right now I don't have Nike socks, but I'm gonna go ahead and get my Nike socks and then make this, you know, a look. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the lookbook right now.
Hold on, speed it up. Hold on.
Run that back turbo.
Speed it up. Speed it up. Eat it up. Eat it up. Eat it up.
too hard, don't stand too close, you gon' fuck around and drown. Off this.